what are the what are the steps of creating a will? Like, what's the process here? Our office, we almost never recommend you prepare just a will. I'm always recommending you prepare a living trust on top of it because it's no more complicated. And in Arizona, helps you avoid the probate system. But if you just have a will and you're okay with your estate going through probate, the steps are these are generally the steps. First, you're going to decide to do it. This is the part most people, that's why you're watching this video, right? You haven't decided to do it. And by decided to do it, I mean, it's like got a deadline. You're like this month, not okay in the future. That's procrastination. That's why we still have 15,000 probates every year in Arizona where people are fighting. If you haven't done it and it's not in process, first thing, make a decision. Say, you know what? I don't care. Come hell or high water, it's going to be done within the next 6 weeks, period. Okay, make a decision. Second is you got to fill out all your information. And I don't mean all your information like a audit by the IRS. I mean the information that's on your driver's license, as long as it's current, Social Security card, and maybe your last tax return. Like, those are the key ingredients that are needed to fill out your will. You might also need to fill out who your family members are. If that's not on your tax return, your children's names and any beneficiaries' names. And maybe you're naming an executor who's not on that list. So yeah, we need their information too. So collecting that information, there's going to be some way you got to get that information into the system. Then there's going to be some drafting, whether we're drafting it, whoever's drafting it's got to put the documents together. Once the document put together, you're going to review them, you're going to approve them or make changes. Then the all final moment, the signing ceremony, you, two witnesses, a notary, lawyer are going to sit down and going to do the ceremony where you're going to sign. Those are the steps. You get through those steps. The moment you sign, it's valid. It doesn't have to be filed anywhere. It doesn't have to be approved by the court. It doesn't have to be, no, you sign, poof, valid.